What's up everybody? Many of my students came up to me and asked, why are you hard on us? And I was like, no, I'm not hard on you. I'm only hard on the tones. Why? Because Vietnamese is a tonal language. Tones are the crucial part of the Vietnamese language. One word with different tones can have completely different meanings. If you mess up the tones, you're not just wrong. You might be accidentally hilarious or worse, offensive. So now I'm gonna show you 5 Vietnamese words that you don't wanna mess up. Let's get started. Ngủ. Tôi ngủ, which means I sleep. Ngủ. You need to raise your voice like a question. But if you drop the tone and just say ngu, all flat and casual, guess what? You've just called yourself stupid. What? Điện, with the underdog tone, meaning electricity, and you must drop down your voice real low. Điện. If you say without the underdog like điện, all flat and casual,
it turns into crazy.
So imagine walking into a room and announcing, I need some điện. People are thinking, okay, this person needs a plug, but drop that tone and suddenly you're yelling, I need some crazy. People are gonna start looking for the exit. Lộn, with the underdog tone, means wrong or mistaken. If you mess something up, you just say, oops, lộn, no big deal. If you slip up and add the wrong tone, now you're saying lộn, and oh boy, it means vagina. So imagine you're trying to say, I made a mistake, but instead you're casually blurting out, oops, vagina. Let's talk about đi. Simple, right? It means to go. Đi. Just a nice little word to get around town. But oh no, if you get a little too excited and raise your voice like you're asking a question, đi, suddenly you're not telling someone to go, you're calling them a whore or bitch. Đi turns into đi, so instead of saying, hey, let's go,
you've accidentally shouted, hey bitch.
The last one is đủ, with the question tone on top of the word. Đủ means enough. You have to raise your voice like making a question at the end. Đủ. If you add an underdot and lower down your voice like đủ, it becomes a swear word which means f***. Now here's where it gets interesting. You could technically combine the two words đủ điện, which means is there enough electricity? But if you mess up the tones, suddenly you're asking enough crazy. Imagine that in a power outage. Do you have enough electricity? Versus are we crazy enough yet? Sometimes it's a little bit of both. Just remember, tones in Vietnamese, 1 minute you're asking for enough, the next minute you're swearing like a sailor.
Stay sharp, folks.